Dear students, welcome to Impulse Masterclass. This program is designed for 10th class students. Myself, Gnana Krishna, senior faculty in physics. Currently, I am working in Impulse. Students, let's have a look at these two questions. This one is convex mirror, this one is concave mirror. First of all, you have to concentrate on these four important concepts. If outer surface, if it is polished, that is called concave mirror. In case if inner surface of the curved surface is silver polished, that is called convex mirror. The angle between the incident ray and the principal axis, if it is less than 10 degrees, those rays are said to be paraxial rays. If it is more than 10 degrees, those are called as marginal rays. So a paraxial ray which is parallel to principal axis, when it is incident on the spherical mirror, whether it is concave or convex, after reflection it will passing through certain point on the principal axis. Where it intersects on the principal axis, that point is called focus. That point focus to pole, that distance is called focal length. So we got here 2 by r is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So from here we can conclude that 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. So this is the mirror formula. We are going to use it to calculate the image distance, or whether it is object distance or it is focal length of the mirror. But before going to calculate anything else based on the spherical mirror, must ensure you have to know that about the sign conventions. We know that 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. I have a question for you. Is this all quantities are positive or negative? Actually depends on the problem. In some cases those are positive, in some cases those are negative. Now we are going to discuss in what cases those are positive and negative by using sign convention. In sign conventions we have two zones. One is a positive zone, another one is negative zone. Which is positive, which is negative? Look at here. This is the reference point O from this mirror. So for this mirror, on which side is silver polished, that side is positive zone. I mean silver polished side is positive. So this side is positive. I mean from here reference point, if you go like this one is plus 1, this one is plus 2, this one is plus 3, like this. And another zone which is non-silver polished, means from here to left side if you go, it will become minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So it doesn't matter whether it is concave or convex. Silver polished side distances or focal lengths are always positive, and non-silver polished side all the distances and focal lengths are negative. In sign conventions we need to know about focus on which side is formed for both concave and convex mirrors. Look at here, concave mirror. When light ray coming as parallel and incident on concave mirror, here reflected ray is directly falling on the principal axis at here on side which is non-silver polished. According to the property we know that non-silver polished side is negative. That's why here focal length is negative. Okay. Now if you come to the convex mirror, when light ray coming as parallel and incident here, now light ray after reflection is going outward. Now we are extending this outward reflected ray to this side, and that reflected ray is falling on the principal axis on silver polishing side. We know according to the property silver polished side everything is positive. That's why here focal length is positive for convex mirror. So finally focal length of concave mirror is always negative, focal length of convex mirror is always positive. Let's get back to our initial question. By using this concave mirror we are going to calculate the image distance. Okay, here they are asking to calculate the image distance. Now we know that mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here focal length already they given 5 cm, object distance u is equal to 20 cm they given, but you should be very careful before applying the formula sign convention. I already told you silver polished side is positive, non-silver side is negative. Here you can see this is the non-silver polished side, this one is a negative region, this is the positive region with respect to the reference I already told you. So here object is in what region? Negative region. That's why students here object distance is negative. So here u is equal to, you have to take minus 20 centimeter. And what is the focal length? Focal length means what? Distance from focus to the pole. So somewhere will be on principal axis it is formed, because they already mentioned 5 centimeter, means which is less than 20, we can assume. That's why I can take here, this is the focus and focus to pole, this is called focal length. And this focal length also on non-silver polishing side. So focal length also negative, f is equal to then minus 5 centimeter. Now substitute the values, 1 by minus 5 is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by minus 20. I am going to calculate the image distance. Now bring this 1 by minus 20 to left side, it becomes plus 1 by 20 and this one is minus 1 by 5. So 1 by v is equal to, LCM will be 20 and this will be 1 and this will be 4 times. So we got here 1 by v is equal to minus 3 by 20. If I reverse the function, v is equal to, we got here minus 20 by 3 centimeter. So we got finally image distance is in terms of negative. That means image also formed on left side on this concave mirror. Let's get back to our initial question based on convex mirror now. What is the image distance from this question? See here, object distance u is equal to, I took minus 60 centimeter. Why? Because here object I consider in the region what? Non-polishing side. I already told you. So along non-polishing side, everything is negative. So here object is on non-silver polishing side. That's why I took object distance as minus 60 centimeter. And focal length, of course, it was convex mirror. Focal length of convex mirror is positive. That's why I took plus 20 centimeter. As we know, formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. From here 1 by v is equal to what we can write? 1 by f minus 1 by u. So 1 by f is equal to 20 minus 1 by u is equal to minus 60. So we got here 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. LCM will be 60. 20 in this 3 times, 60 in this 1 time. You are getting 4 by 60. That means 1 by 15. Therefore image distance equal to 15 centimeter. Plus 15 centimeter we got. Nothing but in this case, image is formed on silver polishing side at a distance of 15 centimeter from the pole of the mirror. That means from pole of the mirror at this position, image is formed at a distance of 15 centimeter. Students, I hope you enjoy the masterclass. See you in the next class. Thank you all.